hello, welcome to Vidyapeedam. This is Nitya. Today we are going to discuss about the MCQs on excretory system of a human being. Okay, the first question, the kidney are located. First option within the column, option 2 near the buccal, option 3 near the heart, option 4 behind the rib cage, or it's under the rib cage. So the kidneys are located behind the rib cage or under the rib cage. The option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, the outer part of kidney is called option 1 cortex, option 2 pelvis, option 3 hilus, option 4 glomerulus. So the outer part of the kidney is called cortex. Option 1 is the correct answer, and the inner layer or inner part of the kidney is medulla. First, what is kidney actually? Kidney is an excretory organ of a human being. It's the main excretory organ of a human being. There are some other excretory organs are also there. That is liver. First one, liver. Second one, skin. Third one, lungs. Okay, and the study of kidney is nephrology. The shape of the kidney is bean shaped, and the weight of a kidney is 150 gram. Weight of a kidney is 150 gram, and the adrenal gland located upper part of the kidney. The outer side of kidney is cortex. Inner part of the kidney is medulla, and the structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. There are 12 lakh nephrons are there. Okay, nephron is the structural and functional unit of a kidney. Okay, next question, in amoeba take place through the process. First one, diffusion. Second one, infusion. Option 3 urocotalic, option 4 none of the above. In amoeba take place through the process diffusion. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, name the organ that make up the excretory system in option 1 2 kidney, option 2 2 ureters, option 3 bladder and urethra, and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is option 4, all of the above. Name the organ that make up the excretory system in 2 kidney, 2 ureters, bladder and urethra. And the next question, nephron is made up of option 1 renal capsule, option 2 tubule, option 3 both A and B, and option 4 is neuron. Not neuron, it's a neuron. Okay, so the correct answer is nephron is made up of renal capsule and tubule, both A and B. Option 3 is the correct answer. So each new nephron is made up of renal capsule and tubule. Okay, next question, elimination of nitrogenous waste material is called option 1 circulation, option 2 excretion, option 3 digestion, option 4 respiration. The elimination of nitrogenous waste material is called excretion. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, what is the main function of the excretory system? Option 1 to excrete saliva, option 2 get rid of waste products from your cell, option 3 break down food for digestion, option 4 circulate oxygen. So the main function of a excretory system is get rid of waste products from your cells. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, the bunch of capillaries present in Bowman's capsule is option 1 Pacinian corpuscle, option 2 Bowman's capsule, option 3 glomerulus, option 4 Malpighian capsule. So the correct answer is option 3 glomerulus. Option 3 is the correct answer. The bunch of capillaries present in the Bowman's capsule is glomerulus. Next question. Which vessel carries blood to the kidney? Option 1 renal arteries, option 2 renal vein, option 3 both A and B, and option 4 is only A. So which vessel carries blood to the kidney is renal artery. Option 1 is the correct answer. Renal artery. Okay, renal artery blood vessel carry blood to the kidneys. Next question. The amount of water excreted as a urine is first one 1.5 liters, option 2 2.5 liter, option 3 3.5 liter, option 4 4.5 liter. So the amount of water excreted as a urine is 1.5 liter. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one. Which of the following is not an organ of the excretory system? Option 1 liver, option 2 kidney, option 3 skin, option 4 heart. So simple question. Heart is not an organ of the excretory system. So option 4 is the correct answer. Next question. Artificial kidney was first introduced by William J. Kolff in which year? The artificial kidney was first introduced by William J. Kolff. So the correct answer is option 4 1943. 1943 the artificial kidney was first introduced by William J. Kolff. Option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. The next question. The conversion of ammonia to urea is done by option 1 adenine cycle, option 2 fumaric cycle, option 3 ornithine cycle, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is option 1 adenine cycle. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one. The waste matters are transported by option 1 blood, option 2 lymph, option 3 RBC, option 4 is kidney. So the kidney is transported the waste matters. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next question. The conversion of excess of amino acid into urea is done in option 1 lungs, option 2 large intestine, option 3 liver, option 4 is cloaca. So the conversion of excess of amino acid into urea is done in liver. Option 3 is the correct answer. So the correct answer is option 2. The first filtration, then reabsorption, then secretion. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one. Maximum reabsorption of salt and water occurs in option 1 loops of Henle, option 2 PCT, option 3 DCT, option 4 collecting duct. It's a CO collecting duct. So the correct answer is PCT, that is proximal convoluted tube. Option 2 is the correct answer. The maximum reabsorption of salt and waters occurs in PCT. Next question. Bowman's capsule lies in option 1 renal cortex, option 2 PCT, option 3 convoluted tubule, and option 4 is medulla oblongata. So the Bowman's capsule lies in renal cortex. Option 1 is the correct answer. The basic functional unit of a human kidney is option 1 Henle's loop, option 2 nephron, option 3 nephridia, option 4 pyramid. So the basic functional unit of a human kidney is nephron. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together form a globular body is called option 1 Malpighian body, option 2 nephron, option 3 nephridia, option 4 is kidney. So the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together form a globular body is called Malpighian body. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, the color urine is light yellow due to option 1 liver, option 2 curcumin, option 3 melanin, option 4 urochromes. So the correct answer is urochromes. Due to urochromes, the color urine is light yellow. So option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, the excretory products of a mammalian embryo are eliminated by option 1 ureter, option 2 urethra, option 3 placenta, option 4 is amniotic fluid. So the correct answer is placenta. The excretory product of mammalian embryo are eliminated by placenta. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next one, the separation of small molecules and ions from a large molecules and cell in a body is called option 1 ultrafiltration, option 2 osmosis, option 3 diffusion, option 4 dialysis. So the correct answer is ultrafiltration. Option 1 is the correct answer. The separation of small molecules and ions from a large molecules and cell in body in blood is called ultrafiltration. Next question, the process of dilution of urine occurs in which part? Option 1 PCT, option 2 DCT, option 3 loop of Henle, option 4 is renal cortex. So the correct answer is option 3 loop of Henle. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, the muscular tube carries urine from kidney to urinary bladder is option 1 urethra, option 2 ureter, option 3 urinary bladder, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is ureter. The ureter is carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder. So option 2 is the correct answer, ureter. Next one, which carries urine from the bladder to the outside the body? The which carries urine from the bladder to outside the body? Option 1 urethra, option 2 urinary bladder, option 3 collecting duct, option 4 is nephron. So the correct answer is urethra. Urethra carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, lungs are important for excretion of option 1 salt, option 2 carbon dioxide, option 3 nitrogenous waste, option 4 is pigment. So the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Lungs are important for excretion of carbon dioxide. Next one, when bile pigment excreted from urine indicate option 1 jaundice, option 2 crystallites, option 3 uremia, option 4 kidney stone. So the jaundice is the correct answer. Jaundice is the correct answer. So next one, which blood carries blood to the glomerulus? Option 1 afferent arteriole, option 2 afferent arteriole, option 3 Bowman's capsule, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is afferent arteriole. Blood carries blood to the glomerulus. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, the machine that is used to filter the blood of person whose kidneys are damaged. Option 1 hemodialyzer, option 2 CT scanner, option 3 MRI machine, option 4 X-ray. So the correct answer is hemodialyzer. It is a machine that is used to filter the blood of a person whose kidneys are damaged. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay.